When we brought Ford in, they were instrumental in helping us design and engineer a solution that would be well accepted by the users and very easy to use, so that we would waste less time getting meetings started and collaborating in our conference rooms. We use our audio-video technology to collaborate more efficiently. In a new work from home and hybrid work environment, it's imperative that people that are in other locations from the house can communicate and collaborate with people in the office or in other locations. And our new audio-video technology allows us to accomplish that much easier and be more efficient.
There were a couple things that Western Midstream really wanted to accomplish, in particular with this high-end executive boardroom space that we built out for them. The video wall that's the primary display at the front of the room it's not just a standard television that you can buy from the store. It's a direct view LED technology, which is a bunch of tiled LED panels that make up a larger video wall. The room is so large and so deep that you need that type of technology to make a display large enough and high quality enough to give a good viewing experience for the people in that room. Typical conference rooms may just have one or two little microphones on the table to pick up people's voices and transmit them to the far end of a video call. But this room was so large that you couldn't just do it with a couple standard microphones. And so I believe there's a total of 17 total microphones built into the table surface itself, so they can retract and go down into the table, and it looks like you have a clean, flat surface. And then when you need to have a call, they motorize and lift out of the table just a little bit to expose the microphone elements. But that keeps a nice, clean, aesthetic look on the table, but gives great audio quality for the people on the far end of the call. One of the things that they tasked us with and asked us to work together with them on is a large combinable training, or some people call it a town hall space, where they can host large groups, 50 to 100 people all together at the same time. And in certain settings, there can be a dividing wall where this acts as two separate and independent spaces. But then when they have a need for a larger meeting, the wall goes up and the two systems on both sides of the space act from a technology perspective. They combine together and act like one large combined functional space.
The feedback that we're getting from the business units and the users is very good. They like the ease of use, the quickness that they can get a meeting started. They like the fact that they are able to share their information and collaborate more efficiently.